Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have all the makeup products that I'm taking with me in my holiday laid in front of me, and I will do a makeup look using these. So if you want to see how I will look majority of the time on my holidays, please go ahead and keep on watching. So my skin is ready. I applied all the skincare this morning, and now I am going to start with this Catrice Cosmetic 1 Minute Face Perfector, and the shade is 010 One Fits All, and supposedly it adapts to any skin tone. My question is, looking at this shade in here, how will this work with darker skin tones? Because really I don't see that working with any other skin tones, but yeah, whatever. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this with my finger and apply it all over my face as my base foundation, if you want to call it like this. And it does give you the tiniest bit of coverage, but it does give a more uniform aspect to your skin. And it's really creamy. So that's what we are using as foundation, if you will. Next I'm going to take my concealer, which is this Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer, and I am going to conceal a tiny bit under my eyes. And I have some spots that I want to cover a little bit, and then I am going to blend with a beauty sponge. You could blend with your finger, of course, but I find it faster with a beauty sponge. And before I go in with my powder, I am going to take this Essence Moonlighter Cushion highlighter in Apricot Tinge by the brand CLE, and I'm going to apply that with my finger on some of my high points. Now I don't want to go overly crazy with this, so I'm just going to apply it slightly on the highest points, giving the skin a tiny bit of a glow. Next I'm going to take my powder, and it's this one from Bella Pierre. It's a banana setting powder, and I am going to apply that again with my hairy beauty sponge. And I am applying a very small amount of powder because I don't want my skin to look over powdery. Next we're moving on with bronzer, and the one I have in here is from Revolution, and it's the Baked Bronzer, and it looks like this. And with a fluffy brush I am going to swirl the brush on the bronzer and then bronze my skin. Again, not over bronzing, because I want that feeling that I'm not actually wearing makeup, but you know, the no makeup look. Next, for powder highlights, I have this one from Estate, and it's in the shade Lit, and it looks just like this. And I'm going to take my highlighting brush and apply that on top of the cream highlighter we just applied earlier, just to add a tiny bit more glow. And for blush, I don't think I'll apply the blush every day, but just for the purpose of the video I am going to apply it today. It's this one from Catrice and it's water and sweat proof, and the shade is Berry. It's this one in here. It's a really pretty pink corally shade, and I am slightly going to tap the brush on my cheeks. Next, for my brows, I have two products. I have the pencil from Catrice, the Slimmatic pencil, and again I have from Catrice the Brow Colorist Semi-Permanent Brow Mascara. Now in some days I might use the pencil to fill in my brows, but today I just want to use this gel, and the color for this gel it's dark, yeah, just dark. So it's a dark brown color, and I am just going to run this through my brow hairs, and as you can see it does give you some color to your brow hairs. And for my eyes, again I'm not going to take any eyeshadows with me. I could use the bronzer if I want to have any eyeshadow, but I will not. The only thing I'm going to do is apply some mascara, and the one I have in here it's the Punk Volumizer Mascara from Douce, and it's a travel size, and I am going to curl my lashes a tiny bit and apply a few coats of mascara, and I will be back. So now that I've applied the mascara as well, what I'm going to use for my lips is this Revolution lip gloss in the shade Soul, and I'm going to apply that on my lips. Last but not least, I am going to set everything in place with this Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray, and I am going to spray that all over my face. So this is the end result of the makeup I am going to wear in my holidays. You can wear it as an everyday makeup look as well, because it's really easy to achieve and it doesn't involve a ton loads of products. So yeah, you can do this makeup in 5 minutes if you want to, because now it took a longer time because I had to talk and explain, but like for an everyday makeup you can do it in 5 minutes and be out the door. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!